Hello, welcome to our OSHA Inspections video specifically designed to help employers prepare for a surprise visit from OSHA, presented by Dressler Consulting. Another in our series offering California employers the latest OSHA and workers' comp updates created to help them prepare for all state and federal legal regulations before an issue arises. In addition, this information helps employers understand existing and new regulations and laws and could save you money on legal fees if your company is discovered to be non-compliant. Let's begin today's important OSHA Inspections topic. Did you know that 2013 is the first year of the latest workers' compensation reform for California? Since employers pay workers' compensation costs, you need to be aware of these changes and how they will affect your company. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, is concentrating its efforts on establishing a federal injury and illness prevention program. Here are the topics we will be covering in our video presentation. To know how to prepare for a OSHA inspection, you need to know what triggers an inspection. Each year, OSHA inspects on average about 10,000 California employers. If one of your employees has a serious injury which must be reported to OSHA within 8 hours, that call will likely trigger an inspection. In fact, 25% of OSHA inspections result from serious injury reports, another 25% result from an employee complaint, and 40% are follow-up visits based on previous citations, while only 10% are random stops. When do you have to report a serious injury to OSHA? Reporting those serious work injuries to OSHA is not optional. Failure to do so could be catastrophic. Serious means your employee goes to the hospital for longer than 24 hours or they suffer severe bodily injury. Employers have only 8 hours to report employee injuries. To report an accident or file a complaint, you must contact the OSHA Enforcement Unit District Office closest to the workplace where the accident occurred. You'll find the closest district office online at the following address. This list provides you, as the employer, the specific information that will be required to report in case of an accident. It is recommended and prudent to have this information available in the employee HR file. If you don't have a sheet with the current employee information available, getting it after the injury or accident has occurred and the employee is not there might be a real problem. So be smart and be prepared. It is important for you and your management team to be prepared for these inspections. You must train your supervisors on how to investigate all accidents. They must know how to investigate near misses, hazards, or equipment damage. And they must know the proper steps to prepare for their meeting with the OSHA inspector, such as having the facts, taking photos of the scene and the injured worker, document what the company has done, and so on. To avoid a complaint-based inspection, employers need to prepare. A plan is required by OSHA to both prevent injuries and to serve as a guideline for the entire process. Begin with an effective safety plan for your company. Then train the employees about safety regularly. Give them an opportunity to openly offer suggestions or to make a complaint. By listening to employees, you may prevent future problems. It simply makes sense. Office safety training benefits employers and your bottom line, as well as helping to prevent accidents in the workplace. Our book, California Office Safety, is a comprehensive guide for California businesses that defines proven processes that safeguard employees' personal safety, as well as helps to ensure their productivity. Office safety is important, especially for small businesses, is available online at www.calofficesafety.com. There's even more help available. Don Dressler is an experienced labor and employment law attorney and a former workers' compensation insurance company president. He is nationally recognized for his experience in workers' compensation programs, self-insurance and captive programs, employee safety, risk management, and providing solutions to organizations' human resources challenges. Don Dressler Consulting Services assists employers with safety and OSHA compliance issues and in the development of your own safety plans. How to write an IIPP, a short, informative booklet describing the safety planning process. Small Biz HR is an injury and illness prevention plan kit, an outline of the California legal requirements. Draft your outline plan with it. Also, individual consultation services are available upon request. Just call 949-533-3742 or email us at dondressler1@hotmail.com. Thank you, and this concludes our OSHA Inspections, How to Effectively Prepare for a Surprise Visit from OSHA video. If you have questions about any of this information, please call us at 949-533-3742. You can also email dondressler1@hotmail.com Or to learn more about this topic, visit our website at www.dondressler.com. Please don't delay in preparing for the inevitable.